Welcome to Playa del Carmen, Mexico. This video is going to take you for a walk through a condo that's going to cost you roughly 100 American dollars a night, right in the heart of Playa del Carmen, just steps from the famous 5th Ave in the beautiful Playa del Carmen beach. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the beautiful Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Just for context, we have a map here and I'll circle this section right here. This is the CRUZ Con Mar Condo. It's located on 32nd Street, just steps from the famous 5th Ave. Now I'll also circle this section right here. This is Park Las Fundadores. This is also where the ferry dock is that comes in from Cozumel, and also located here is the bus station. Now I'll also circle this section right here. This is Chedraui. This is what probably the best grocery store in Playa del Carmen, and it's just steps away from CRUZ Con Mar. All right, we are going to do a walkthrough of a 2-bedroom at CRUZ Con Mar. Now there are 1-bedroom apartments here and 2-bedroom. Now this is one of the bedrooms. It looks like we've got maybe a double bed and a single over there. Also TV, smart TV, got a desk here if you do need to do some work, and a bathroom. So this is one of the bedrooms, not much of a view. Up over that kind of the view there is a pool. So you've also got plenty of closet space there, and like I said, smart TV, and the washrooms just look really clean. I don't know, is that marble? Just super sturdy. Shower pressure is really good. Sink, everything's good. It's just clean. It's been well looked after. What do you call that? A rain shower head. Like I said, probably the best pressure I have had in Mexico. So not much of a view. You got 2 beds there. One looks like a double, one looks like a single. Plenty of closet space, and that's one of the bedrooms. That's as soon as you come in. Now this is a little perk here I didn't know was going to be part of, but there's just a washroom there, a 2-piece, no shower there. But this is if you're having company over, they can use that instead of going into one of the bedroom bathrooms. So as you can see, the symmetry between all the bathrooms with the same colored stone. So another added perk here is washer dryer in Mexico. Small in the closet like that. There you got your water heater up there, and these guys threw in some perks of some lawn chairs and stuff. So now we're going to come out to the living room and the kitchen. And kitchen again, solid. It's a 4-burner. A lot of times you don't get the 4-burner in Playa del Carmen. You get a 2-burner, and we've got the oven underneath it there. A lot of times with some of these condos, you only get a 2-burner and you don't get an oven. So this is definitely a little, level up. So you got a 4-burner there, and you got the oven. Double sink, another kind of up kind of charge there. You've got the microwave. And the other thing is this fridge, I guess you get the French doors there, and you got the freezer down below. Surprising, like that's kind of a North American size there, and it is another kind of perk. Now that is the longest couch I have seen in Mexico, and it's comfortable. It's got that little kind of ending there so you can lay down. So loving that living room, and I'll come back into it in a second. So I guess this would be called the major bedroom here. You've got the fan, so when you combine the fan with the AC in there, you've got all the controls there on the wall. So that is, I think that's a king. You've also got another TV here. This is one of 3 TVs, smart TV, got a lot of channels, and a couple side tables there. Gonna go into the washroom, exact same kind of walls there with the stone or the marble. Great shower pressure, like I said, Very happy with the showers, very happy with the, it's only a single sink there. That would be one of the things, maybe you'd want the double sink. And, but just symmetry throughout. You've got similar, the bathrooms are all kind of at a really good high quality, and really happy with all the bathrooms here. So you've got 3 bathrooms there. So there's the TV, as I said, pretty big room here. You've got the fan over top. You've got the AC settings over on the side there, and then we've got a big balcony, and we've got a big door to get out there too. So if you like the cross breeze coming in, that's you can open that up. There's also an opening here into the living room. So that seats 6 right there. So obviously you can have 4 people here, but you could also have people on the couch there. So you could probably maximum 6. Loving the kitchen, just simple layout. You got the fan there, and there's the AC coming out the top, so it's centralized. So couch, good. And then you've got another TV out here, which is also a smart TV. So you've got 3 TVs, all smart TVs, plenty of channels, and a lot of North American stuff in there too. So you can sit at the island there with those 4 chairs if you want to eat there. Floors are clean. This is just a really clean place. You got a 6-seater here. We've had a bunch of parties here, but you can basically only have about 6 over. Now here's another little perk. You've got the hot tub out here. Jets, it's good. It's fun on a really kind of hot night to be out here. Got these bean bags. Now a lot of CRUZ Con Mar balconies don't have these bean bags, but once you get in those bean bags, you don't want to get up. So there's another resort over there, a lot of foliage. This is looking up towards 5th Avenue. You're a couple hundred meters from 5th Avenue, but you can't hear anything here. I've just been amazed about how quiet it's been. And then you look this way, you see the next place over, their balcony, and then you see the ocean. And the sun comes up directly over those trees right there. So walk out here every morning between 7 and 8, and you get sunrise. So you got a few perks there with that hot tub. It's fun. Jets are fun. Takes a little while to fill up though. But there is the windows are a little bit higher. You don't get a lot of sun coming in that it's beaten in on here. And up top there, you've got the centralized air conditioning. You got a 6-seater right there. You've got a beautiful kitchen. And I'm going to say thanks for coming along on this walk. CRUZ Con Mar room. Go through. It's been awesome. So I'll say ciao for now from CRUZ Con Mar in Playa del Carmen, Mexico.